And there's Jayana here. You can see the girl here. Hello, Jayana. Are you there?
Hi.
Hi, hi. So Jayana has some queries in this calligraphy. I'll not take much of
Okay.
your time because Jayana had some appointment at 7:30. So I'll just mute myself and my camera will be off.
Okay.
But this session will be recorded for the reference for both of
Okay.
you, so that you can see it later on if you require anything. Okay. So I'll
Okay.
just mute myself. Jayana, you just go there. And Bhamini, I suppose this. Am I pronouncing your name properly? Is it okay? Is it
It's
Bhamini, right?
Bhamini. Bhamini.
So Bhamini and Jana, just go further. I'll just mute myself and my camera will be off for next 10 minutes. And my headphones
Okay,
is
sir.
on. I'm listening. So anything required, just let me know. I'll unmute myself on the spot. Okay?
Okay,
Cool?
okay.
Okay.
Done?
Hi,
Hi.
Jana. Hi, how are you?
Hi. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Do you know anything about calligraphy? What kind of pen has been used or
Nothing, nothing. That's what I've been trying to Google and search, but I'm still confused as to how to
okay.
go about.
Okay. I'll just show you something. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm unable to invert the camera. Hold on.
Yeah.
Right. Hmm. Jana, hello.
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
Can you can you see me?
Yeah, I can see a book. Yeah.
Okay. See, first of all, you can buy any normal pen. Okay.
Okay.
And you can get calligraphy lids from the market. These are the calligraphy lids.
Okay.
Okay, so I have
Which ones?
removed,
Which ones?
just call them calligraphy nibs, that's all you can call them. Basic.
Okay. I can get them in like normal stationery shops.
Yeah, you can get them from there. Okay, so
Okay. Yeah.
I have removed the basic nib from this pen. Okay,
Okay.
and I've attached this one over here.
Okay.
Okay, now
There
there's a
are some
problem with this.
sizes.
Yeah, there are overall 7 sizes. I have attached the third one, the third size.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, over here it's written size 3.
Okay.
Okay, now there's a problem with
Okay.
this nib. It should have been,
Okay.
okay, see. Basically, calligraphy nibs are like this. Okay, but
Okay.
with this nib, I didn't notice while buying it, and it is like this.
Okay. I can't
See,
see the writing.
this. Now,
Okay, so
now,
there's like
okay,
teeny tiny. Yeah, yeah.
okay. It should have been like this, but this is like
Okay.
this. See,
Oh, oh.
okay.
The
So this
direction is
is
different.
different. Yeah. So this is faulty.
Faulty.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I would suggest you to go for nibs which are like this. Can you see this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what I'll do for this
Okay.
session, I'll write like this.
Okay.
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 I'm talking about the ink. As of now, I'm using cartridge. Okay. If you
The
don't want
normal
to use
cartridge.
the normal cartridge, okay, because that's very easy to use. That's very convenient.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and it keeps your hands clean. Okay, but if you
Uh,
want, you can go for this ink. Can you see the ink?
is it by
Can
Camlin?
you see the ink? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'll do, or what you can do, if you don't want to use cartridge and if you want to use any specific color ink, okay, so you can
Okay.
go for this ink. You can use
Okay.
ink dropper. This is the ink dropper.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and
Okay.
then you can put it inside this pen.
Okay.
Okay, that's all you have to do. You have to
Okay.
dip it from here and you have to put it inside this, and then you can make it
Okay.
use. It is very simple.
Okay. Is this the normal this
Norm,
water fountain pen, or is it
normal fountain
specifically
pen.
for calligraphy?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Normal fountain pen. And I would suggest you to go for normal fountain pen rather than going for something which is a specific calligraphy pen. Make your own
Okay.
calligraphy pen. Yeah. Don't
Okay.
rely on any calligraphy pen because that is expensive and it doesn't make any sense. It's just the same thing. With
Okay.
this,
Okay.
when you take separately everything, it is cheaper and more convenient. And if you go for
Okay.
cartridge rather than going for this ink, it's more
Okay.
cheaper.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, because when you'll be putting ink with the help of ink dropper and everything, it makes it a little dirtier.
Yeah. Right.
You dirty your hands and everything. So if you just
Yeah.
want to practice as of for now, you can go for this basic cartridge pen and you can make your
Okay.
own arrangement. Can you see the pen and the nib?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now can you see the paper?
Yeah. I can see. You're holding the pen upside down, right?
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I would suggest you to buy when we was kids, we used to use a maths notebook which had
With
checkboxes like
squares.
this. Yeah.
Huh.
Okay. So I would suggest you to buy a paper like this, a book like this,
Okay.
wherein you can
Okay.
use each box for practicing the paper, for practicing the alphabet. Okay. For example,
Okay. I can't see you. I can't see you.
you just have to look at the paper.
No, I can't see you. There's some your Google logo that I can see. I can't see the actual frame.
Hello, Amini, I
Now,
suppose your camera has gone off for some reason, or there must be like some issues. Uh,
okay.
you must have been by mistakenly
Now, is it okay?
camera. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Now I can see.
Okay. I'll just turn it. Okay. This is the paper.
Huh.
These are the check boxes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you have to do is whenever you buy such book, okay, take each page for each alphabet. Okay.
Okay.
So first, let this be first alphabet A.
Huh.
Okay. Okay. You have to write like this.
Okay. Is there some kind
Okay.
of
I'll do it
pressure
again.
point that you apply?
No, no, nothing like that. You just have to hold it like this. Okay.
Huh.
That's all you have to do.
Okay.
Okay. I'll do it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's just the basic writing, but the pen is such,
Uh-huh.
the nib is crafted in such a way that it itself
Okay.
comes into the calligraphy style. Okay, it's
Right.
basic A.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah, it's basic A,
Okay.
like this only. But
Okay.
since we are doing it with the help of a pen,
It comes out.
it's like this.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'll teach you basic ABCD till Z. Okay, and
Definitely.
then
Yeah.
you can practice each and every alphabet with the help of that pen.
Okay.
Okay. There
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
three
Sure.
styles that I know. One is engrossing
Okay.
text, one is Parquet Venue, one is Chancery Cursive. Today I'll be teaching you
Okay.
engrossing text. That's the basic
Okay.
of all and it's very easy to learn.
Okay.
Okay? Um,
Yeah.
and after doing everything, if you want, I'll send a pic of that so that you can
Okay.
refer to it whenever you want to do that. Okay? I'll do
Yeah. That
one
would
thing.
be beneficial.
I'll write it with the plain pen and write the same thing with the calligraphy pen as well.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'll just write. Can you see the book?
Yeah. I
Because
can see the book.
this A, B, C, D, E.
You are using the ballpoint pen.
Yeah, the ballpoint pen, the normal one, and then I'll just show you. Okay. G, G, K. Okay. Now I'll do it
Okay.
with the calligraphy pen. A,
Okay.
B,
Okay.
C, D, E, F, G, I'll show you the difference, okay? Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see.
The difference between these
Yeah.
two. So I'll send you this picture as well and this picture as well.
Yeah, sure.
Okay?
So there's no
Now
there's nothing like a pressure point, like you have to lift the pen up and leave it or something like that to get this effect.
Nothing like that.
Doing.
Nothing like that. And once when
Okay.
you're done practicing A, B, C, D till Z,
Yeah.
I was suggesting you to write it in the maths notebook because that tells you about the particular size. Okay, you get used to of
Okay.
writing in a particular size because when I
Yeah.
write without any practice, it can be, I'm just using my ballpen. Okay, when you write
Yeah.
without practice, it can be A, it can be B. It is not in one
Right.
name, isn't it?
The
And
alignment is not there.
yeah, and since you're using a new pen, which is something which is new for you, you tend to make such
Okay.
mistakes. Okay?
Right.
All you can
Okay.
do is keep on practicing A to Z in a particular notebook and make sure that it's in a particular alignment. If you're okay with
Okay.
it, if you're able to grasp it properly, then don't need of getting that book. But that's how I started.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll send you a pic of this and this.
Yeah. Sure. That will help me.
Okay. Apart from that, how can I help you?
Are there any books to refer, like any practice books apart from those, like those math square books that we used to use in the school days that I'm supposed to use as a practice? But other than that, are there any books that I can refer?
I would not suggest you to buy any books. Just go to internet and surf. That's the best thing you can do. I can tell you these styles that you can learn, which are very easy to learn. One is Chancery Cursive,
Okay.
which we are learning right
Yeah.
now. One is Engrossing
Okay.
Text, and the third one is Park Avenue. These are very easy to
Okay.
learn. All you have to do is, there's just a minor difference of strokes. For example, in Chancery Cursive, okay, this is Engrossing Text, isn't it? So here we
Yeah.
write A like this. Okay, so here this is straight, but when
Where are you showing?
this one, see, okay,
Okay.
this portion is straight like this, a little straight and then a
Yeah.
curve. But when you use Park Avenue, it's like this, and then it's like this.
Okay.
Okay, that's the difference.
Okay.
It's all in
Okay.
the
Can calligraphy
strokes.
be like freestyle?
Freestyle, yeah, the pen is such that whatever you write, it turns into calligraphy. Honestly, it's not that difficult. It's not at all difficult.
Okay.
But if you particularly want to learn a style, then I would suggest you to learn these three because these are the simplest of all.
Okay. Okay.
And learning calligraphy, then you can proceed to do calligraphy with the help of wax, candle, crayon,
Okay.
acid, vegetables. There's a lot you can do in that. There's a variety in that. I mean,
Oh.
instead of using pen, if you want, you all okay. What I did was take any name. Okay, for example, I'll just write my own name. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm writing it with the ballpoint pen because that's the easiest and the quickest for now. Okay.
Okay.
Mamini. Okay. I wrote my name.
Where? Huh.
Where? Okay.
Yeah.
Then what I did was something like
Can
this.
you focus in the camera? No, like tap because it's all blurry.
Okay. It's really blurry. Just get. I don't know why I'm able to. It is still blurry, isn't it? I'm unable to focus it.
Okay. You can write on the top side corner, which where there is more brightness.
That's okay. I suppose the photo will help. Photo will better help in, later on. But
Okay.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but I just what do I could see is the camera of the phone, or it's like that. You would it would require a daylight, and then it will be clear. I don't think so it will
Okay.
help much, but the photo will be the better option. When we'll just
Okay.
have a connect, so the photo, as she said, she'll be sending a photo, that will help you out, I suppose. But I suppose you're getting the idea, right? I'm sorry
Yeah.
to interrupt. Yep, Pamini, I'm sorry.
Okay. Now, so I'll be sending you two
Okay.
photographs, one with the ballpoint pen and the other one with the calligraphy pen. Apart from that,
Huh.
I can send you certain styles, like how you can decorate a name. Okay, I was talking about
Okay.
calligraphy with wax, isn't it? So what you can
Yeah.
do is take a paper, okay,
Okay.
um, use a wax crayon and color it with some particular colors. Okay, for example, this is
Okay.
colored. Okay, this portion is
Yeah.
colored green. This portion is colored yellow. This is colored red. This is
Okay.
colored blue. Something like that. Okay, and then you
Wax
have to
paper, you
take
mean that butter paper?
wax crayon, norm, normal paper, drawing
Okay,
sheet.
normal paper.
Okay, and on that you can go for wax crayons.
Okay.
You can use these four wax crayons
Okay.
and color it in these portions, or you can use one color for the whole thing. Even that's okay.
Okay.
Okay, then take black acrylic color
Okay.
and paint the whole thing. Is it like that? Yeah, then
Yeah.
paint the whole thing. Well, on this whole sheet, just paint it black
Okay.
with the help of that black acrylic color. A
Okay.
toothpick or something like that, and then you can
Okay.
use to engrave it. Something like this, A, B, or you can write your name, Jayana.
Right.
Take a
Oh
nib
yeah.
and
Then
start
that color
engraving
will pop
it.
up.
Exactly. So you can use certain tips for, I don't know, I used to make greeting cards with the help of such tricks.
Okay.
हो गया और थोड़ा क्रिएटिविटी भी हो गया दूसरों को बोलने के लिए
Right.
भी हो गया कि मैंने वैक्स से कैलीग्राफी की है.
Right. Yeah. That's cool.
Okay, so I'll
Okay.
give you the
And
names
for
of all the
big
three styles.
letters, can you send me also the big letters? These are like the
Oh
small
yeah, even
caps.
that is important. Yeah, even that is important. Thank you for reminding me that. I'll send you that as well.
Yeah. So I can
Okay.
practice.
Okay.
Thank you so
So
much for getting
I'll.
me, helping me get started on this.
Okay.
Hello, should I interrupt? Yeah, hi, both of you. That was really great,
Hi.
actually, Vamini. It was very short of time, and this short of time, I suppose both of you have covered. Jana is into the card making. You would see a lot of blogs on our website. Jana, a lot of blogs are there on our website on the activity center. If you by chance go on our website called as teachmitra.com, I'll send you the link as well. Okay. And you had your user ID, you are, I suppose, an Aniket's referral, right? Bhamini, if I'm not
Yeah.
wrong, you're like Aniket Wakansar's referral,
आगे
right?
sir.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes sir. Sorry. हाँ.
Are you Aniket's referral, right? Or Lijo's referral? Hello?
Aniket,
Am I
Hello.
audible?
you
A little bit.
you're talking to me or Jana?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
You're talking
Yeah.
to me or
हाँ.
Jana?
Now sir, I can hear you.
Honey, hi, Bhamini, I'm talking to you are Ali referral,
You're
right?
talking to me now? Huh.
Ha.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you'll go on the website, you'll see the matlab, she is into arts and crafts I was talking about. Jayana, I'll send you some links as well. She has written some blogs and she has also made a lot of videos on YouTube. So you can also see her work. And she said from lot, like I want someone from the network who can help her out into the calligraphy. So and then when we listed all the names, you will see on our website. I suppose you must not have gone yet. Aniket must have just told about it. Huh? So I'll just send you the link and the password if you have not created yet. Just we have created your user because you are from the Google thing. Okay. I suppose everything will be given on the website because time is short and there's much to talk about. Okay, so the mail
Okay.
would be the better way to communicate. And that was a great session. I suppose, Jana, you met your
Yeah.
first basic goals, I suppose, and the things
It
will
was
move
so
forward.
very helpful. Thank you so much. Your name is Bhamini, right?
Right,
And I'm
Bhamini.
Yeah. It
sorry
was
for
like
delaying the session so much. I'm really very
no, but
sorry for
it's
that.
okay. Like it was short and proper to the point, and what I wanted to know, I just got to know. So I'm very happy.
Great.
Okay.
So if you want further, अगर कभी कोई connect if you require, so we'll make it further. तब तक maybe Jayana could move further and do some practicing, and later on अगर कुछ difficulty, we will also have one more session. Okay. So
Yeah,
now
and
I'll
Bhamini,
not.
do check out my Teach Mitra blogs also, because I've been blogging
Sure.
and uploading videos
Yeah.
also.
That's what I was saying
Okay,
to
I'll
Bhamini.
surely
You
check
just
that.
go and check out. She's into card making. She has got lot of. You will visit the
Yeah.
website. You will see all Jayana ka blogs into the website. There are major blogs of Jayana on the website. Okay.
Okay.
Have a nice day, guys. So sorry, tomorrow Sunday evening has been.
No, it was interesting.
It was interesting. I hope so, and this will help you both of you together. Okay. I'll just
Okay.
stop the broadcast. It will be a video session, like video. I'll mail all details with this video link, so you can see anytime. See how was it.
Okay.
So both
Okay.
of,
Yeah, sure. And
it
I'll
will
wait
be
for the pictures also, Bhamini. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Just give me 10 minutes, I'll write and give it to you right now.
Great.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Chale.
Okay.
Okay.
Chalo.
Bye. I'll just
Thank you,
stop the
sir.
recording.
Thank you, Bhamini. Yeah, bye.